Hey everyone, it's Matt here. In this video, I'm going to be going through the basics of what a synthesizer does and how it does it. First of all, let's look at the signal chain. Typically, you'll start with a keyboard or some other type of controller, which passes a signal to your synth voice, and then that does all the magic of converting it into an audio signal that can be output. In its most basic form, a synthesizer voice has three parts: an oscillator, which makes a simple tone at a specific pitch, a filter, which adds or removes frequencies from the tone, and an amplifier, which changes the volume of the tone to make it into a note. Let's take a closer look at oscillators. Oscillators can produce a variety of different waves, from simple sine waves, which have no harmonics, square waves, which have odd order harmonics, triangle waves, which have tapered odd order harmonics, and sawtooth waves, which have many odd and even harmonics. So what do these different waveforms sound like? A sine wave sounds like a person whistling or the sound that a tuning fork makes. A square wave is close to the sound that an oboe or a bassoon or other double-reeded instruments. A triangle wave sounds more like a brass instrument, and a sawtooth wave sounds like a stringed instrument. Moving on to filters, there's a number of different types that synthesizers use, starting with the low-pass filter, which removes frequencies above a certain cutoff point. High-pass filters remove frequencies below the cutoff point. Bandpass filters remove frequencies outside a certain range around a point, and bandstop filters remove frequencies within the range around a point. Lastly, we have amplifiers. These are typically used to boost or attenuate signals, but they can add harmonics through clipping or distortion. Usually these are controlled by envelope generators, which we'll get into in a future part. Now all of that comes together to make a pretty simple sound. So in the next part of the series, we'll be looking at how to make that sound more interesting by combining oscillators and adding modulation. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see the future videos. Thanks for watching.